Hello, everyone. It's Nikolai here. Today, I am excited to introduce you to the course project for Integrative Programming and Technology 1. In this project, I have chosen two interesting topics to delve into network programming and data mapping and exchange. Throughout our presentation, we'll explore various facts and provide detailed explanations on these subjects. Once you have finished reading, I invite you to watch my video presentation on the course project for Integrative Programming and Technology 1. I hope you find it enjoyable and informative. Are you all set for the presentation? Let's get started. Network programming. The definition of network programming. It involves utilizing computer codes to enable programs to interact and communicate with each other over a network. This facilitates the exchange of data between computers, online platforms, and various geographical locations, thereby enabling individuals to seamlessly share information. This text describes the functionality of network devices in managing and regulating network traffic, enables the automatic initiation of software processes on network hardware. Consequently, users have the ability to program controller configurations, exercise control, and manage networks. The definition of server. This application functions by providing a service to various clients who request it. It operates as either a machine or a computer program, offering data and ensuring its functionality for other machines or programs. It offers resources, data services, or programs to other computers, referred to as clients through a network. Or many client/service scenarios in real life. Bank tellers. It is the duty of the bank's employees to ensure inclusivity in handling customer funds and negotiable items. While as a client, this is the method through which account owners are served. Waitresses. As a customer, serving is an essential aspect of the client experience. Just like the various roles a waiter can fulfill, serving and meals, beverages, desserts, appetizers, and a wide array of offerings in establishments such as restaurants, bars, hotels, or cafes. Travel agents. When you are a client, your role is to provide services to individuals who are vacationing in various countries, cities, and more. As a travel agent, your responsibility is to ensure the smooth operation of the travel agency by assisting customers in booking flights, arranging meals, booking tickets, selecting transportation options, planning routes between cities, capturing memorable moments through photography, recruiting new staff members, and undertaking various other tasks to maintain the agency's longevity. In relation to the gate Jet Set Go, while working at the travel agency, adhere to the prescribed procedures to become a proficient travel agent and sustain the business successfully. The values of reading files from the internet. When it comes to accessing files from the internet, the URL Uniform Resource Locator serves as a reference or address for locating its resources through web browsers. To effectively utilize a resource, it's essential to include the host machine name, file name, port number, and other information. What are the methods of using its URL resource? A host name. To utilize a host name, establish the resources domain/site where it resides. Conclude the site's name with extensions such as .com, .org, and so forth. A port with a number optional. After entering the website, utilize the number following the colon initially. A file name. After entering the website address, utilize forward slashes to create a file at the computer that will yield either .htm, .php, or .html. Remember to follow the methods of reading files from the internet when you type down the URL, resource name, and site. Client/server communications. In a client/server communication, the client is responsible for sending a request while the server is responsible for providing a response. Within this context, it is important to understand the roles of both the server and the client. Server. It is an application designed to offer services and enables clients to engage in communication sessions. Client. A service request from a server can be made in any application. Datagram sockets. Datagram socket. In packet delivery services, packets are sent or received at various locations. Each packet is individually addressed and routed during the process. Datagram sockets and datagram packets are currently being utilized in the client-server application. When a message is sent as a packet, it must be contained with the data of the message, i.e. the message itself, the length of the message, i.e. the number of bytes, the address of the sender as an ID address, or the sender, data mapping and exchange. XML or Extensible Markup Language. XML is a versatile markup language that enables the creation of descriptive data. Additionally, it serves as a markup language for defining rules and instructions for various types of data. Moreover, XML is widely recognized as a well-balanced standard for creating information formats and facilitating the exchange of structured data across the public internet and in digital format. Up until now, XML data has been used to describe or define itself by embedding the structure of the data. When the data is organized correctly, there's no need to reveal a structure as the XML allows for dynamic understanding. Design of XML. What are the goals of XML in a 1.0 specification? The primary objective of XML in its 1.0 specification is to establish a user-friendly approach. XML aims to provide extensive support for a wide range of applications. Ensuring compatibility with HTML is a crucial goal of XML. XML strives to offer simplicity in writing programs for processing XML documents. XML aims to minimize the number of optional features, ideally reducing them to zero. Within our XML documents, it is essential for XML to be easily readable and reasonably clear. XML design should prioritize quick preparation. The XML design should be formal and concise. XML aims to facilitate ease of use with XML documents. XML markup should be concise and prioritize essential elements. Other physical parts of XML technologies. In taking physical parts of XML technologies, they are along with elements, attributes, document type declaration, entities, processing instructions, comments, sections, XML namespaces. XML declaration. It serves the purpose of offering fundamental details regarding the structure of the remaining XML document. In an essential manner, it is a type that is not mandatory, and it specifies the version of XML being used, which includes information about the character encoding format. It encompasses information that prepares an XML processor analyze the XML document. XML elements. In the realm of XML documents, elements serve as the fundamental building blocks defining the logical structure in sections. Each element, with the exception of the root, must be fully encapsulated within another element. There exist four distinct content types within XML documents: data content, element content, mixed content, and empty. XML attributes. The element and attribute have a distinct concept in terms of their purpose and structure. While the element is defined to provide more information, the attribute is contained within the start tag and serves to initialize with the name and associated value separated by an equal sign. In the midst of that, how does the comparison between an element and an attribute unfold? Element, constituent data, used for content. Whitespace can be ignored or preserved, nesting allowed, provided for large values are binary entities. Attribute, inherent data, used for native data, no further nesting possible. Default values, minimal data types. Document type definition. The XML document structure or model is defined by elements, cardinality attributes, aggregation attribute values, and default type, and entities. This definition is stored in a plain text file and referenced by the XML document eternally. Alternatively, the DTD can be included within the XML documents by utilizing a DTD. The following steps can be ensured. Applications can require all documents to adhere to a specific vocabulary, ensure consistency among instances. It provides guidelines on the allowed structures and names within the document. It ensures that documents are constructed and named in a compliant manner. It validates the documents by identifying the inconsistencies. XML schema. This text explains the specific degree of XML documents, which represents a common expression regarding the limitations on the structure and content of X documents belonging to that category. In addition to the fundamentals and practical limitations of XML, the World Wide Web Consortium W3C suggests using it to describe and verify the structure and content of an XML document. After thoroughly discussing the topics ever data mapping and exchange, one of the selected subjects I've chosen to explore is the integration of these concepts within networks and XML files. This presentation serves as the culmination of my efforts for the course project in integrative programming technology one. I sincerely appreciate your attention and I trust that you'll find this presentation enjoyable. Thank you.